Hi guys, Happy New Year everyone. So today I'll be showing you how to make this beautiful flower. It's very easy. It's worked up in 4 rounds or maybe 5 rounds, I'm sorry. And you can use 3 colors of yarn. So in this flower I used a dark orange, a lighter shade. This is actually peach, but the effect is really nice when you're using a lighter shade on round 4. So for this project, it's much better to use a shade of, for example, a solid color like orange and a lighter shade, and also a white yarn. So in this project, I'll be using 3 shades of pink. Light one, which is the baby pink. This one is fuchsia, and the other one is pink. So we're gonna start by using the darker color, and I'm gonna use a 1 strand of these fingering weight yarn. For round 1, using the darkest shade of pink, I'm gonna chain 8. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and I'm going to slip stitch to form a ring. And by the way, for this project I am using a 2.5mm hook. You can use any hook in yarn you like, and since I want this project to be smaller than this one I've made, so I'm gonna use 2.5. For this one, I use double strands with 3.5mm hook, so this one is going to be smaller. Now, after slip stitching, you're going to chain 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then you're going to chain 1 for the chain space, and then you're going to work a treble crochet plus chain 1 for 13 more times. So we need to have a total of 15 treble crochets in the ring. So this chain 4 here counts as 1 treble, and then chain 1 for the chain 1 space. So in between these trebles, you're gonna work 1 chain in between them. Once you have 15 trebles and chain 1 in between, you're going to slip stitch on top of the beginning 4th chain that we've made, and then we're done with round 1. Round 2 is we're going to work a slip stitch into the chain 1, and then work a single crochet, and then 1 more single crochet in the same chain 1 space. And into every chain 1 space, you're gonna work 2 single crochets. So keep on doing that until you get back around. And this round, you're going to slip stitch on top of the first single crochet made, and then we're ready for round 3. So in this case, I'm gonna change color, and I'm going to fasten this off first, and then I will proceed to round 3, and I will choose a pink that is the lightest shade. So this one is the darkest, this one is the lightest, and later on I will add, on round 4, I will add the pink. So for round 3. 4, once you slip stitch, you're going to chain 1 and then 1 single crochet in the same stitch, 1 single crochet in the next stitch. And then after that, we're going to work a stitches around the chain 5. So we're gonna start working with 1 single crochet. Next is 1/2 double crochet, 4 double crochets, 2, 3, 4, 4 treble crochets, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then work a double treble, just 1, and then we're gonna work a picot, 1, 2, 3, and then slip stitch on top of the double treble, and then we're going to work a double treble into the next chain 6 space, 1, 2, and then we're gonna do the same thing as what we did here. So we're going to work 4 treble crochets, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 4 double crochets, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 1/2 double crochet, and finally 1 single crochet. So this is what it's looking like, and then we're going to work 2 double crochets into the next 2. Well, actually you have to skip 1 single crochet, and then after that in the next 2 single crochets you're gonna work 1 in each, and then after that you're going to repeat until you have 5 of these. Starting on top of the 1/2 double crochet, you're gonna start working 6 single crochets in each of the next stitches. So 3, 4, 5, 6, and then in the next 4 we're gonna work 1/2 double crochets, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now there's a picot there, and what we're going to do is we're gonna work a two 1/2 double crochet into the picot. So we work 1, 2, 2 and then work 2 half double crochets, and then after that we're gonna continue mirroring what we did in here. So in the next 4 we're gonna work 1 double crochet or half double crochet into each of the next 4, 2, 3, and 4, and then into the next 6 stitches we're gonna work 1 single crochet on each. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
No.
So this is what it looks like, and we're going to repeat that around. So we're going to skip the next stitches and we're going to work into the next half double crochets. So that's where we start working our single crochet, and we work. Once you get back around, you're just going to slip stitch on top of the first single crochet, and then you can now fasten off, and we're moving to the last round. So once you get back around, you're just going to slip stitch on top of the first single crochet made, and you can now fasten this off. We're done. And don't forget to weave in all the ends.